Here we have the Mordillofootballissimo jigsaw puzzle. It's by Heye, 1500 pieces. And you can see it there. The box has got a little bit of damage. And a little bit of damage at the bottom. You can see there. Hopefully 1500 pieces. It's got the art number. This is a 1981 Heye puzzle, so it's vintage. It's got it on the bottom there. There's a picture of it there. It's got a little bit of wear. The box is in good, overall good condition. It's just got a little bit of wear. And then inside, jigsaw pieces. So this bag's never been opened. So the jigsaw's never been put together. So the pieces are in excellent condition. And then we've also got a little bit what the jigsaw looks like. There. Makes a nice little poster. And also got other jigsaws by Heye on the back. It's in very good condition. So the only thing that's really bad is the jigsaw box. Just got a little bit of wear. Excellent puzzle, 1500 pieces inside. I couldn't have done that more awkward if I tried. There we go, got it inside. Put the instructions in, puts it in there. So that's the Heye Mordillofootballissimo jigsaw puzzle, 1500 pieces.